Koonthankulam Bird Sanctuary is located in Nanguneri Taluk of Tirunelveli district, Tamil Nadu. This is the largest reserve for breeding water birds in South India. More than 43 species of resident and migratory birds visit here every year, and they start coming by December and fly away to their northern homes by June or July. The local people take a keen interest, and the birds coming to the village's backyard are protected. Fallen chicks are taken care of in the rescue center, and these people won't celebrate Diwali too. The painted stock is the major attraction in this sanctuary, and like crows, they are seen everywhere in the village.